This is a beautiful eggplant. I'm gonna cook it today. I'm gonna cook it with the skin off. You can also cook it with the skin, but today I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna peel it and then I cook it. It has a little bitterish taste to it, so what I do is soak it in salted water for about an hour or two, and then I cook it. So I'm gonna peel it, cut it up, and then put it to soak in the salt water. I'm gonna cut it in two right across so that you can see what it looks like. It has a really lovely pattern. This is what it looks like, and these are the seeds. So when it gets a little darker, you can see more the pattern that it has. So all you have to do is it's easy to peel, just like that. And you can also, if you don't like to peel it like that, you can just cut it in slices, and then you just go around and peel it around like this. You might find this easier, just like that, and then you just dice it up. And that's it. As easy as that. It's very easy to cook, very, very easy to cook. I washed them before, so the garlic is very easy to peel when I wash them before. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic, but you don't have to use this much. You can use 4 or whatever you like. 2 small stalks or 1 large stalk of scallion, or green onions, I have a small cabbage here. I'm giving it a rough chop. Here I have some onion, garlic, thyme, turmeric, and some regular curry powder in some coconut oil. So this is where I'm starting. I just have some extra vegetables around which I want to use up. I have now added the drained eggplant, and I'm gonna just cover the pot for a bit. I'm not gonna stir it up as yet. I'm gonna wait until the pot gets hot again before I stir it. I added a little water, and I've added the cabbage. The final dish, I have the dal over here, and I have some rice and the saltfish with peppers and onions, so it's roasted saltfish. And here we have the eggplant with the beans and the cabbage curried. This is one yummy dish.